Louis, wacha mama. Louis.
Kama Kinder Joy.
So hi guys, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. So guys, we are back again with another video of May Restock. Actually this one is May Restock, and May is my birthday month. And if you are born in May, stand up, stand up. I'm a May, I'm a May. Say hi guys. So guys, we are here. Let me just start with the haul. So we have an office point over here. Pearl ashatwa already, so I bought this one for Pearl. She wanted it, I don't know for what. Yeah, so here an office point. I think she wants to write her things and all that. So I have snacks over here. That one is for my babies. Then I have soft care here. Yes, this one, there's no difference. Even if you buy the gold one and this one, I've seen today that there is no difference. So I was saying like Louis amekuwa kitumia the gold one like for 1 week, because hizo zingine zilikuwa zimeisha, nikanunua gold one na it did not affect her, but nimeona there's no difference, so I've just bought this one, this premium pack one. This one will serve us well. So what do I have here? So guys, I have this one, and let me just tell I have bought this thing at 530. Nimeumwa, but now going to Kamkunji is a hassle. I wanted to go kesho, but when nimeona my finances zimeshake, so I think I might not go tomorrow, maybe the other time. So I've bought this one at 530, and it's always at 450 in Kamkunji, if I'm not wrong. So I want to use this one to just keep my milk for fridge. Yeah, that is the reason as to why nimenunua hiyo. So I have this one over here, and these ones were coming in so handy. It is 5. It has 5. There is this one, and then there is this one over here, and then there are 5 of them. There is this one, and then there is this and this. So the reason as to why nimenunua hii, I want to use it to organize my fridge. By the way, I found it so affordable, and I can use it to make my fridge clean. So this one I'm going to put eggs. Yeah, because if I put eggs here and then I cover, I can put something on top of it. So I'm going to use this one to put eggs, and then I'm going to use this one to just store fruits and some ho-hos and all that. So I'll just be covering this one and naiweka kwa fridge. So that is the purpose, by the way, of those ones. And then this one over here, I'll be using it to store danias. Yeah, because now this one is a... Yeah, so guys, sorry about that. So what was I saying? So yeah, I have this one. Yeah, this one I'll just be using it to store my danias. So this one I've bought za kuweka kwa fridge. So I'll try and arrange them so that you can see. And then I have this small one. This one can just store something, yeah. But I've bought them ya kutumia kwa fridge. So we have clean soft over here. I've bought 3 of them because already we have another one. So we have clean soft for... Normally I buy 4, but I bought 3 because there is one. Kila kitu utakula, kila kitu. Siwe unasumbuanga siku hizi. Naenda. So guys, I have bar soap here, and these days I use Zenta. Yeah, because I find it so affordable. So if I've just bought this one, it lasts us for a whole month. So imebaki kamoja aka, but if I buy this it lasts us for a whole month. Yeah, so I don't use liquid soap kwa vyombo and also bathing. I think I'm the only one who is using a shower gel to take a shower. Everyone else is using this menengai, yeah, for showering. So we use that one. It's also not harsh for the kids, by the way, so it's good. And if I don't have shower gel, I normally use also this bar soap to yoga. Yes, so what do we have here? So the lids. So I have sugar here. So I have sugar here, 2 kgs. I wanted 3 kgs, but it was just 2 kgs only. So I have familiar porridge here. So we have a lot, like this one. So I've just bought 1 kilogram. That one will serve us the whole month. And we have rice in the house, but I have added some rice. So I've added 3 of this. This one is 6 kgs. So I've added rice. Today I've not bought gunia rice. I'll do that next month. Yeah, because this month, money constraints. My phone is about to get low. Well, so guys, we have flour here, and this month I've picked kavagara. It was pricey, by the way, but I just wanted to eat kavagara. I wanted to eat raha, so I picked 3. Cause in my previous vlog I bought 1 maize, so this one is enough for us. If I'm not wrong, this one is enough for us. So I have raha here. So I have ngano flour here, and I wanted to pick 1 and 1 for baking, like the self-raiser one, but I still have the one that is self-raised. And then these days I'm so lazy, I'm not doing pancakes. We don't do pancakes that much, so I picked this one. I picked 2 of them, so if you want some mandazis, you can just use this one. There is like a kidogo flour remaining. So what do I have here? I have this one, drinking chocolate. We had run out of it. I have Broadway's bread. It's normally so soft. Ukapi witabitili amekuwa kikula nimpe. Ukapo jiko rice. Oh. Mama unajua kuna blueberry. Blueberry. Oh. So guys, I have tissue here. We have 4 rolls, so I've just bought 4. I've bought 4 over here. So guys, we have milk here, and I normally use Brookside, so I've just picked 10, only 10. So I have 10 pieces of this. So I have salad here. This one is 3 liters. I am crossing fingers. I normally don't know how to use salad, but this month here itabidi tumejua kutumia salad. So I have salad 3 liters here. So the 10 one, I will buy it next month, not this month. Pale neke yuko, pale. So this is just more milk. kuja nipeleke, kuja pita huko ulikuwa ukiniwekea. So guys, I don't know, I should just call myself the queen of impulse buying or what. This one was not on my budget, but I found it so nice. These balls over here, I love white utensils, but the fact that it has some white, it can go well with my white plate, so I can just put aside this one. And they were so cute, and they were going for 60 shillings. So I picked 6 of them. Yeah, I will use it to serve food, like maybe maragwe, some soup. And the size is so good, not the bigger ones zenye zitakumalizia supu. Just the small ones. So I have ice cream over here. Lou, you can't eat this. So we have ice cream. This one we will freeze it because the weather does not give. So we have weka huko, achana na yeye. Enda nilete kiboko. Enda nilete kiboko. Lete kiboko. So we have cake over here, this one, and I want to cut it. We will be snacking on them. It helps us during breakfast. So yeah, we have margarine. So we normally use 500 grams every month. So we have that one over there. So someone said that buying Weetabix in sachets or anything in sachets saves a lot. So I have these ones, 10 of them. Yeah, so I bought 10 different flavors. I don't even have 10. I have 13 of them. Yeah, I picked 13. So guys, I have this glass over here, so I'm only left with one. So I added 2 of them so that they can be 3. Yeah, because zingine zimepasuka. I have one type of glass that is just one, the one like this one, and then the other ones are 2. Zingine zimepasuka, different ones. So I've just added these 2, and I love them. They were going for 95 shillings. And I love them, these ones. Anieke hizi pole pole. Weka hapo. So what do we have here? More milk. So we have some kahawa over here, coffee, dark roast here. So most of the time we just do hot water. Most of the time. So I have bicarbonate of soda here, and then my notebook. So where I've been having some books zinararuliwa na Lui, but this small one can fit in my kibeti so well, so that I can be writing. I forget so much. Sometimes someone can just send me niende nimhouse auntie. I forget. When I'm doing another job, I will definitely forget. So this notebook specifically is for me to write whatever I'm supposed to do on what day in a day, what I'm supposed to do, so that I can just be. No, this one is specifically for my schedules. Yeah, because when nakosea watu sana. So guys, those are the things, by the way, that I just came in with. So let's just arrange them. So for sijapata maragwe, I wanted yellow beans, so I'll just go hapa nje nichukue, and then also just 1 crate of eggs. I'm going to pick it, and then we arrange everything, guys. So yeah.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by.
So guys, this is what I was looking for, so I'll buy one for Mala. So yeah, I wanted to organize my milk like this, and I love it. Oh my god.
I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt, never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm, I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead.
So guys, this is how I've stored my eggs. I wanted to store them like this. So I've just noticed this one is so big, so when I want to buy like 2 crates and I want to store them kwa fridge, this one will just come in so handy. So yeah, this one is 1 crate. I wanted something like this that I will just cover my eggs so well. And so a colorless one comes in handy, and it's also affordable. There are these 2 stuff za kuweka eggs, they are going for 1200 shillings. And right now, since I don't have that money, so I prefer putting them here. Look at that, and they look so nice. So guys, this is what I was just looking for, something that I can cover. Like, you know, when you put tray, you cannot put anything kwa eggs and it will not save your space. So I was looking for something like this. You can just cover, and you can put anything else, like maybe leftovers hapa, because my fridge is small and I want to do whatever I can do to just save on space. So also this one has just saved me some space. There was this an extra milk, so let me just put it there. Yeah, like that. So it has also saved space hapo. we are done. I'm done with arranging everything and just cleaning everything. So I want to store these snacks here. And this is what I'm using. So Louis and Pearl normally snack on these ones a lot. But if I buy like that, it will take them for a whole month, because in between we buy some snacks also. And I love this thing over here, guys. I just love them. They are so unique. So we have a cake here, and I want to... We had some mahamris, and we have already snacked on them, so we are not going to eat some cake because we have snacked on mahamris.
What is mahamris?
The mandazis we have just ate. You want some piece of cake? Okay.
What are these ones? That's good. It will stay for the whole month.
So guys, I'm done, and I wanted to show you how I've arranged. So this one is the Weetabix, and also here I wanted to show you, so this is my snack area. This is normally our snack area. So if you're a visitor and you come here, you can't miss anything to snack on. And then our freezer is empty, but I am going to just boil some cereals, yeah, and then add there, store there. So with my fridge, this is just how I've just arranged it, and this is what I was saying. So you see, this one is just coming in handy. I've placed milk over here. These ones are eggs, this one are cake, and then over here are just veggies, the ho-hos, but normally this here is for vegetables, and then these ones are left over. So this is the last time we are using this one for fridge. These ones are for freezer, and then we will use these ones in fridge so that there will be uniformity. Yeah, so these ones ugali left over, and some rice, and our nyanyas, some mala. So I didn't find mala in the supermarket, so I didn't bother to buy. So guys, we will just restock other things, and then I'll just put them inside the fridge. So that is how it looks. And over here, this is my pantry area. and that is it about it. So guys, thank you so much if you have watched up to that point. God bless you sana sana. Nawapenda sana sana. We have come to an end of this video, and guys, I forgot to show you. Look at how the balls looks like they look so cute. Oh my god, I wanted these small balls so that I can use them to serve, because again, let's say you're just serving your husband or a visitor, and then you're putting soup in the same plate like this one. It doesn't look good, so these two small balls are coming in so handy. So thank you so much guys for watching. Nawapenda tena sana, and bye guys.